Hello friends, this is Casey with Casey's Keto Life on YouTube channel. Anyhow, I just did a shopping trip at Walmart where I always shop because I'm a special education teacher, single mom with 3 boys, and I've always just shopped at Walmart. Too expensive. So I wanted to show you that you could completely do keto at Walmart. And not only that, I picked up this very cute blouse too, which I just love. It's very cute. Anyhow, it was a little $8, which I love. So let's go over what I've purchased. Now granted, I do a lot of cooking because I'm trying to get 30 videos out in less than 30 days. So I have 50 videos by the time I go back to school. So please subscribe, please support a struggling entrepreneur, special education teacher, single mom with 3 boys. And I totally and completely appreciate all of the support that I'm getting from my followers. So let's start our journey. As you can tell, I do love the Great Value brand because I do have a lot of intro. I do a lot of Mexican dishes because Mexican is extremely keto friendly. I've got zucchini because I was planning on doing some fried zucchini with Parmesan cheese and egg, and I'll be showing you that recipe. There will be a link. Just keep watching. Please subscribe because you will get a link how to make fried zucchini. Growing up in Illinois, that was my absolute favorite thing. Horse ground turkey. I'm going to be making turkey avocado burgers, which I will also be giving you a link to, so please be following me. My chicken bouillon is for the miso soup. Again, that's how I get through my mornings with the fasting. The chopped spinach, frozen bags, it's less than $1. Keep it in the freezer, and that's very helpful because I do artichoke dip for my keto snack. I forgot to have lots of fresh greens. I got the kale was a little bitter last week. Sometimes kale is too bitter. So I went with baby spinach this week. I am going to be creating some videos. We have family members, we have husbands, significant others that, hey, I'm not ever doing that keto stuff. I'll show how you could do your keto food, make a side of couscous, ready, it's happy. Broccoli, I live on broccoli. It's just great for fiber, it's great for vitamin C, it fills you up. I cannot say enough wonderful, beautiful things about broccoli, except I love you, broccoli. Tomatoes, they're kind of the same way, full of vitamin C. Mediterranean diet, we know, is the healthiest diet. Sorry if you hear the cats in the background, but it's just avocados, they're always such a struggle. There's 3 totally and completely unripe, and then all ripen at once, which I always struggle with. Triscuits. I'm going to give you the hint to the Triscuits. So yes, they have some carbs, but they are so delish, and sometimes you just need a little crunchiness in your mouth, and there's a little teeny trick that you can do with Triscuits to kind of get through keto, and I will be giving that to you in upcoming videos, so please hit subscribe so you get those videos. I'm really excited. I have this amazing blackened pepper and poblano recipe with chorizo and this melted, let's show you this melted Mexican, turn it the right way, sorry guys, Mexican dipping cheese. It is so good. You will not even think you're doing keto. And so that's one of the recipes I'll be creating. Okay, I was just getting a little low on my staples, which is olives because I eat every day in the salad, crab meat because I love crab dip, artichokes because I love artichoke dip, so that was just kind of a staple issue. The portobello mushroom, tomorrow I'm having a friend over. We are going to be doing some burgers in a portobello mushroom, so I needed, 2 for each of us. Yuki, he's joining us right now. He is a keto cat. Just want you guys to know that the cat eats keto, and he can sometimes be a little bit annoying. Okay, anyhow, back to the food. So Greek yogurt, I do that for facials, which have had amazing results. It was actually 64 cents. I lied on my videos and said it was $1. So basically my facials are costing 25 cents and I used to pay like $50 for them. So yeah, sometimes. Anyhow, smoked Gouda. This is something I've kind of discovered on keto. You eat a lot of dairy. If you can eat dairy, you don't have to already. So when I was at Walmart, the girl's like, your tomatoes are going bad. No, that's the way they're supposed to be. So dark veggies, we want our dark veggies. We got some dark tomatoes in there and some yellow tomatoes in there. and I put them on myself every day. Vidalia onions, only buy sweet onions. It's not as if they're even any more expensive. I'm going to show you how to caramelize onions, and I will basically literally change your world. Caramelized onions can be added to any recipe, and they make everything so much more yummy. So get those sweet Vidalia onions. Olive oil. You can actually order this on Amazon. The Bertolli is what I order. The Omar, I was like, dang, that is such a good price. And it has like 1 gram of carbs. So you are, but not least, I was so excited about this. Healthy pork cube. This is literally why I can do keto. Because sometimes you just need a crunch, and sometimes you just need that just being satisfied over something crunchy. Look, we have 0 carbs. Only seen these at Walmart, and I hope you can find them. If you have walmart.com, I'm sure you can find them. But these I use for any sort of breading. I'm gonna crush them in a bag with a rolling pin, and they make basically they're breadcrumbs. Breadcrumbs with no carbs. So anything you have had breadcrumbs in the past, you thought, well, I'm on keto. I can't make my meatloaf. I can't make my